Welcome to the user manual video of Astrea Contact Lead Merge. You can log into your Salesforce App Exchange store ID and then click on Get It Now button to install this application. But as of now, I'm installing the application using the given link. Now, as you can see, it's providing the access to all the users. After the app has been installed, it will redirect us to the installed packages page. We have to click on the done button and then it redirects us to the required page. Now you can see that Contact Lead Merge has been installed and its publisher is Astrea. Contact Lead Merge is a Lightning component that enables the end users to merge the related contacts of an account or any two duplicate leads in the selected op. Using this Lightning component, you can narrow down your search results for the duplicate contacts and or leads by providing a set of filter options. The component is available on Contact and Lead Standard object. It gives a user a choice to merge the standard as well as the custom related list. To use it, first we have to create a quick action on the required page. We go to Object Manager and open the Account Standard object. After opening the Account Standard object, click on Button Links in Action and create a new action. Change the action type to Lightning component so the target object appears. Give the appropriate height and label that you want to choose. Click on Save and add this action on page layout. Go to page layouts and click on account layout. Go to mobile and lightning action and the contact merge action will appear. Go to the appropriate section and drag and drop this button on the position that you like it to be displayed on. Click on quick save. And then from the setup, choose account tab. Choose any account. Now as you can see, it has 3 correlated contacts and the button appears where we had put it in our page layout section. So you can see there are primary filter options and there are secondary filter options where we can filter the related contacts of an account by its first name, last name, phone number and its email. If we click on find duplicates while keeping all these fields empty, we get all the related fields, all the related contacts of that account. But if we need to filter down the contacts, we can fill the fields and then find duplicate and it shows us the required contacts after the fields have been filled. So for the purpose of this example, we're just going to do it with all the related contacts. We can select only 2 contacts to merge, not more than that, not less than that. If we click on 1 and then select, it shows us the error, and if we click on 2 and select, it allows us. But if we click on 3, it will not allow us to click the third one. So we are going to go with the first 2, Evergreen and Stella Boyle. Now it shows us all the editable non-null fields of the contact and the custom as well as standard related lists. We can select a master contact by clicking on its ID, and all the related fields will be selected accordingly. If we need to merge specific fields, then we can click on that particular field. For example, if the master is Evie Green, we can change its email to L Boyle. Now after the merge, the contact Evie Green will have email as L Boyle, and the Stella Boyle contact will be deleted from the contacts. And we can also select the merge related list. If we click on this, all the related lists will be selected, and we can filter out any related list by unchecking the specific button. We click on merge records and it will lead us to the merged contact that we have. Now it shows us that the merge has been completed successfully, and then it redirects us to the new page. So it redirects us to Avi Green, where the email has been changed to L Boyle, and all the related lists have been merged accordingly. So this is how we can perform the contact merge using the contact and lead merge lightning component. To do it on leads, it is quite similar, but only we have to do it on the leads record page. So I'll just show you how to do it on leads. We have to go on setup, and we have to perform the same steps on the lead standard object. Go to button links in action and create a new action like we did it in the account section. Lightning component, provide the height of your choice and also the label. Go to the page layout and add that action on the lead layout. Go to mobile lightning in action and you will see that lead merge is present, so we just have to add it. Okay, so if you see this section, you have to click on the wrench icon so that Salesforce gives us authorization to update the Salesforce mobile and experience actions on the lead tab. So drag and drop like we did it in the account section. Go to setup and lead record. The lead merge lightning component is present, and the following filter options are present: first name, last name, company name, lead status, and lead rating. If we click on it, all the related leads will be present. But if we click on lead status, if we provide closed and converted, it shows us only those leads which have status as closed and converted. So we select any two of them and we merge them like we did in the previous section. So the related list which will have the name as Jack Young instead of Andy Young, and the lead Jack Rogers will be deleted from the Salesforce database. So it redirects us to the new merged lead. So as you can see, the name has been changed. That's it with this contact and lead merge lightning component. Thank you.